Welcome to Painting Hyun channel. I'm Jung. I try to make this channel for people to be painting easier no matter where they live in the world. This is a reference photo I got from Pixabay. This is a drawing for composition. Today especially I'm gonna use Mozart Komorebi watercolor paint set, 40 colors. I have been used a few times. It was high level of pigmentation, a soft texture, and spread. This is Mozart Brush set. So I'm gonna use happily again today. I'm gonna sketch with 2H pencil. This is eye level and mountain trees further in the distance. When I have seen this image, I really wanted to paint immediately, so I'm painting now. Here is the field of lavender flowers. Apply water with Mozart 12 flat brushes. And bring some blue on the wet surface of a paper. Take some violet. This paper is still very much wet, so mixing yellow, orange. They are spread together. Pigment spread and mix very well when the paper wet, so we are using wet on it technique. This is the sunset. Color is very beautiful. Mixing orange and violet, blue, yellow. So very beautiful colors on the sky. Move to the field of lavender. Start to apply water with flat 12 Mozart brush. Apply water 2 or 3 times. I'm taking some yellow ochre, mix yellow. Here is the lavender field. However, I'm freeing yellow ochre. The reason is there are reflecting of sunset colors. Watch the brush kick and grabbing a lot of violet for foreground of lavender field. Adding a bit of dark violet on the field. Switch the brush, violet mix blue. So make the load with Mozart 6 round brush. brush stroke, very quick, and move it to down to up. And this is the very small lavender flowers, the bunch of lavender flowers. So just that motion is like that. Switch a very thin brush, Mozart Zero round brush. Paint lavender in foreground part. Stem and flower buds. I'm doing to paint on the mountain and trees with dark violet. I'm taking some blue, dark blue, and mix green. This is the trees. I'm adding white color for crowd. Taking a bit dark bluish brown. This is the dark violet. This is a final touch-up for foreground flowers. Taking a bit dark bluish brown, paint on the mountain and trees again. Splash with white color and draw some flower highlight part. There are thin stem and flowers. I have done this painting now. Please don't forget subscribe and share. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.